That we are tracking, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh refused to sign the SCO document as it attempted to remove Pahalgam and include Balochistan. In fact, he has sent a stern message to India's neighbours. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has refused to sign a joint statement at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization meet, or the SCO meet, because it failed to mention the Pahalgam terror attack that claimed 26 innocent lives and did not reflect India's strong position on terror. While skipping any mention of Pahalgam whatsoever, the document mentioned Balochistan and tacitly accused India of creating unrest there. Pahalgam's exclusion from the document appears to have done at Pakistan's behest, as its all-weather ally China now holds the chair. That is another big breaking news that we are tracking. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today reportedly refused to sign the joint statement at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. In fact, as per reports, the Defence Minister refused to dot India's name on the document because it very conveniently failed to address India's concern regarding cross-border terrorism. All right, I'm being joined by Chandrakala. Chandrakala, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has sent a crystal clear message to India's neighbours. He has in fact given a very stern message. He has said that if at all you are not going to mention Pahalgam and include Balochistan instead, we are not going to sign the document. What more can you tell us?
Well, absolutely, Antara. The fact that the defense minister is in China is itself a big thing, because it is coming aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack and also a hint towards improving ties. The fact that defense minister Rajnath Singh has opted out of for signing the SCO joint statement over divergence on terrorism issue between India, Pakistan and China. The fact that he has firmly stood ground on India's stand on terrorism and Pahalgam. Of course, official sources confirmed that Defence Minister did not sign the SCO joint declaration statement, which is itself a big thing, because there are divergences on the issue of terrorism, and he has rightly pointed out that terrorism and trade cannot go hand in hand, and he has firmly upheld India's position on terrorism and Pahalgam terror attack. He is visiting China with the fact that he's visiting China aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack, and the Defence Minister of Pakistan is also attending the meeting. It would be right to say that both India and Pakistan would come face to face during the SCO meeting. Over to you, Antara.
Absolutely, Chandrakala. That is indeed a very stern message that is coming across. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has in fact come down heavily upon Pakistan at the SCO meeting, clearing new